Hello everybody, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna install NFS Prostreet REDUX, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So firstly, to install a mod you need to have the mod. So let's just locate our mod file. It should be right around here. There it is. You're going to open up NFS redux.exe and wait until it loads up. Make sure to run it as administrator and press yes because it needs administrator, right? As it is going to replace some files. So select folder and install. Next, just some useless license that you don't need to read. Then press agree, browse, and I'm gonna go to the folder where it's installed, so it should be here, and I'm gonna click OK. Then go next and press install. It's gonna take a while. There might be some too many of files. Okay, so let's press finish. After that, we're just gonna click on our Windows and we'll find this NFS Remastered.exe. You can either open this or just open the file in the game folder. I recommend this because it's easier and it just sets up everything by itself like that. And it's gonna start with textures and shaders and everything. That's it. I hope you like this. If you like it, give a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.